Piper's costume is finally done. Here's the final product. We also have a dryer next door for her friend Lotus. Let me pull that up. Okay, let's see what this thing can do. Let's turn the switch on. Ooh, we turn it to the cold level. We start spinning. We got warm level. We get a few more different lights. Hot goes red. We have turbo, which is really our rainbow color. Then we have the big button. Press that, we get red. Ran out of time, so that's all it's doing this time. Still pretty fun. Door actually opens. Check our laundry. Got a little magnet there holding things shut. And we have another one right next door. Does the same thing, slightly different color patterns. That's it.